Hi, so in this video we are going to talk about how are we going to start coding on Apache Spark. So we are going to talk a little bit about Apache Spark installation, right? And we are going to get introduced to Databricks. So most of our coding is going to be by creating an account on Databricks. So I'll talk about what is Databricks and walk you through how do you do the sign up on Databricks to start using Apache Spark. Let's get started. So how to get started on Apache Spark? Spark can be installed locally, be it on Windows or Mac, and can be run on local mode just using only a single machine or cluster mode. The installation takes time and needs installation of certain dependencies like Java, etc. So in our course, we are going to use Databricks to work on Apache Spark. So if you are interested in setting up Spark locally on your machine, you can refer to instructions and a YouTube link that I have given as part of the reference to this video. So we are going to use Databricks in order to start using Apache Spark or start coding on Apache Spark. So what is Databricks? Databricks is the commercial product from the creators of Apache Spark framework. So it provides the complete development environment for Apache Spark to set it up and getting it to start running it quickly. It's ideal for any data science collaboration, right? So the framework is going to be Apache Spark. We are going to code using Python language. So it's called PySpark, but we are going to use Databricks interface. So we are not going to locally set up the Spark because there is a lot of any sort of cluster management requires a lot of effort with regard to configuration of the cluster. So we are going to use the help of the commercially available Databricks version. We are going to use the community edition of Databricks. I'll give you the details in the next slide. So what I want you to do is go ahead and sign up on Databricks so that you can start using Spark. So you sign up for an account in the Databricks Community Edition. The URL is given here. So this will take you to this page. So you can sort of go into sign up, which is here, right? So it says try Databricks for free. So then you can put in your name and continue on. So do not select any cloud provider. This is very important because in Databricks, you can run it on your Amazon cloud or your GCP, etc. So do not use any cloud provider. Scroll down, way down, you will see get started with community edition. So click on that to finish your sign up. Right, so that is very important because if you are choosing a cloud provider, then you have to it basically you will create your driver and your worker nodes in the cloud itself, so it will cost you money. So we are going to get started with the community edition. So once you sign up, you will get, of course, an email. So you would have to sort of reset your password for it. So once you open your Databricks Community Edition, so after that, once you have set up your password, you can sort of sign in. So use the same URL to sign in. Sign in using the email ID and the password that you have just created. You should be able to see this. So it should give you, I've just given a very short, the small screen version of it, right? So you should be able to see notebook, data import, AutoML, all of these different aspects if you are able to successfully sign up. So once you have signed up to Spark, so the community edition itself is a free edition that allows only limited clusters to be used. So at any point in time, only one active cluster will be used. We'll talk more about it when we start coding. Right, so we would be doing coding using notebooks like these. Right, so you can go ahead and get familiarized with the interface as we go on into coding on Spark. Of course, you can also, if you are doing any of your enterprise workload, you can connect it to your cloud account if you want to expand its capacity, right? The community edition only gives you limited clusters, only one active cluster. Databricks options to connect to different data sources. You can write code as a notebook, schedule your jobs, do secure collaboration. So all the code that we'll write is very similar to the Jupyter notebook that you have. So we'll write it on notebooks. So this is the figure on the right is to give you an idea of how we would be coding. So let's summarize what we have learned in this module. We talked about Apache Spark installation, then got introduced to Databricks, and I walked you through the sign up on Databricks for writing Apache Spark code. So go ahead and set up your Databricks account so that you can get started on trying out the different features of Spark. As part of the reference in this module, I have also given you how you can set up and run Spark on your local machine. So because that is going to be a little tedious, we will not be doing it. We will be exclusively sticking to the Databricks interface. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.